Hi there, thank you for joining me on another episode of the Halton Homes. I'm so excited to show you this listing. We are at 2006 Commodore Road in Baycrest, Dover Shores. Come on in and take a look. As you walk through the front entry, you're greeted by this Dutch door, this nice expansive living room with double-sided fireplace. And what I love most about this house is that every room opens up to the resort-style backyard. This is a kitchen everyone dreams about. You have a large granite center island, nice open space. All the appliances are stainless steel, fireplace, custom built-ins, a nice dining area, and again, everything opens up to the outdoor entertaining space with your saltwater pool and jacuzzi. Check out this backyard. It is amazing with the pool, the jacuzzi. You have a sitting area, dining, barbecue, and another lounge area. This is an amazing space for entertaining large gatherings. And again, it's all private with your trees lining the whole backyard. Now I'm standing in the master bedroom. I love this space. It's separate from the other bedrooms in the house. You have a luxurious master bathroom, and then you have this door that gives you direct access to the jacuzzi outside. Thank you for joining us on another episode of the Halton Homes. I've had a great time showing you around this amazing home, 2006 Commodore Road, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. If you'd love more information, contact me right away, and we'll see you next time.